Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we unbox things.
Yep. So, we got this little box. Well, it feels square shaped, but we got this package. And it says on it, DIY full special drill diamond painting. But this is not diamond painting shape, people. So, we're seeing what it is.
It must be a box of some kind.
It's a box of something.
Ooh. Ooh, it's an LED lamp that I got. Yay! Let's show it.
Oh, it's all wrapped.
That's okay, these things get damaged all the time. It's a lamp. That's what it's going to look like. There's this butterfly thing right here. Alright, let's take it out. I guess you want this, huh? So there's the supplies. And the little bulb. There's these little bulb cover things. Ooh, there's the drill. This fancy rhinestones and in different shapes. Yay, this is exciting. There
And
it-
then...
Ta-da! Yeah. So, this is like it's a battery-powered light. Like the little bulbs go in there. And this gets diamond painted.
Can I do it?
I had a feeling you'd want to do it. Oh yeah, there's the plastic sheet that peels off to reveal the adhesive.
This looks easy.
Yeah, it'll be fast. Yeah, so it does have a cover on it, it's just clear. And there's the glue, just like normal. Only it's like a cardboard surface, it's not a canvas. It's like thick cardstock stuff. And yeah, you're supposed to diamond paint all of that and the little light bulbs. There's these little bulbs that go in there. Now I don't know if... Oh, you can hang it even. That's cool. Come on now. Let me open this. I guess that's the place where the battery goes. But... Oh! There are the LEDs in here. Okay, cool. Nice. So yeah, these poke out. They're like wired in. Here they are. And you have to put a battery in. And these little guys poke out of your holes. Like that. And then you put the little domes on top of them. So they look like they're like little light bright. A light bright. That's so cool. I saw this and thought, I want to try one of those. I picked the butterfly one. They have all different kinds too. So yeah, that is going to be so cute. And you can even hang it on the wall, which is great. But also, if you want to put it on a shelf, you can. It's got these little plastic feet. And you can put it anywhere because it's battery powered. So it's all done. All you need to supply to make this thing function after you're done is a battery. I'm not sure what kind of battery. Probably, it looks like a D battery will fit in here properly. If I can just open the thing.
It's not that hard.
You try.
No, because you have longer nails.
Not really. There you go. Give it.
Easy, people.
Yeah, double A's. 2 double A's will fit in there. Yeah, and you just turn it on or off, and that would be great in your room. I was thinking about you when I picked this.
I really like this picture.
Yeah, it's cute. But that's how it'll look. There's cute, like, marquee-shaped diamonds and oversized rounds, and yeah, it'll be so cute. All right. Well, this is going to be really fun to do.
I like this picture on the box.
If I find one that's like that, I will get it.
This is gonna be our Totoros.
We'll get those soon. Don't you fret.
I'm fretting.
All right. Well, what do we say?
Like and subscribe.
If you want to see this channel grow and thrive.
Like and subscribe.
There you go. All right. It's the summer of unboxing with Bronwen. Woo! See you later, guys.
Bye.